Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awuyemi. Welcome to Earning Dollar, where I make money online. And this is my first video. I want you to subscribe and like, and I'm going to show you how you can make $50 per day with your phone. What you just need is your phone and your internet connection, and make sure you have light on your phone, and you don't need laptop. If you have, that is a plus for you. So for you to make $50 daily, this is a legit way, this is a legit 100% legit way to make money, to make $50 online. The first step for you to do is to go to Chrome. When you go to Chrome, you are going to type fiverr.com. Fiverr.com, this is it. Then you are going to tap here, the first page, first thing that, then you are going to type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnails. You can see this. Then I will make you a great YouTube thumbnail. You can see this is $60. This person will make you a great YouTube thumbnails. You can see $60 per one thumbnail. You can see this. This $10. You can see this person can receive about maybe 10 invitation from Fiverr per day, and you can see 10 equal to $100 from, if this person make about $10, 10 thumbnails to like 10 people, that is like $100. You can see I will design catchy YouTube thumbnail. You can see $15. This, you can see amazing YouTube thumbnail within 6 hours. You can see. But where do you edit this thumbnail, this YouTube thumbnails for free? I will show you how you will do it for free. Then you go to fiverr.com. You can see this, where you can edit YouTube thumbnails for free. This is where you can edit it for free. You can see. Then YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to type it, YouTube thumbnails. Please like and subscribe, because I'm going to drop how you can use Canva for free, how you can edit anything on Canva for free. I'm going to drop the video this week. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell notification. I'm going to drop the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you can get notified when I post another video on YouTube. You can see it's loading. We are in YouTube thumbnails. You can see this is it. This is the template that you are going to use. You can see that is how you just like $50. You can even begin from like $10. Those that we saw earlier recently on Fiverr, they are in first page or second stage. You can see this is how you will make it on. Can see just like by edit thumbnails, only thumbnails. You can see $60, $10, $15, and about maybe 10. You can receive about 10 people works per day. You can see that's how you are going to make your more than $50. Can even make about $500 per day based on your consistency. Can see, and by this can be able to make thumbnails on Fiverr for free. And I hope you like and subscribe to this Earning Dollar channel on YouTube. See you in my